Hi guys, I don't know how much you can see of this, but these are the walls before we left our apartment in Kuala Lumpur. As you can see, the kids have been drawing all over it. It's like blue crayon on there, and there's also some biro over here that they've used. Yeah, you can also see that there is some grease on here from their fingers and things like that when they used to walk up and down the back of the sofa touching the walls. Now what I'm using here is Selleys Sugar Soap, and just mix that in with the water there. It's really good stuff for cleaning the walls. Now the two buckets there, one is clean water and one is the sugar soap water mixture. And you literally just dip in the sugar soap, get it up there on the wall, and then the dirt that comes off and it goes into the clean water to be cleaned, and then dip back in the sugar soap and put it on there. Now this section is where the biro was, so I had to spend quite a little time focusing on there to get it off, but it did actually come off fairly easily and straightforward, just required a little bit of extra time and scrubbing. And the reason some of it there looks a bit darker than other areas is because of the the drying. I think with the walls being a little bit wet. I mean, I did miss a couple of sections there early on, and I did go back and finish those up at the end. But yeah, for this I was just doing half the wall, make sure that we get everything that's in that lower area clean, because that's where most of the hard things were. So why don't we take a look at it, see how well it's done. And I think you can see in there that it's much better than before. There are a couple of little areas where there are things on the wall, but it's mostly where the paint has been scratched, and you can actually see through to the previous layer of paint that was on the walls. Like this one's actually a scratch through and not pen that was left on there previously. So thank you for watching, and hope that it's showed you just how effective that sugar soap can be. Looked much better once it had finished drying.